Hey, what is going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys some really awesome camera tricks that you probably didn't know existed. These are tricks that you can do easily on your device and most of them are really useful. So let's get started. Let's get started with the panorama mode. Now panoramas are really awesome and you can take some really beautiful shots. You can see right here this arrow that it points to the right side, so you will always have to start from the left to the right. But what if you want to start from the right to the left? It's pretty easy. All you gotta do is just tap right there on the arrow and you can see it will change sides. So now you can take the panorama picture from the right side to the left. Anytime you want to change it, just tap right there and you can switch sides. Even though this one is a trick for the photos album, it's still connected to the camera and to the pictures. Of course, this trick allows you to easily go ahead and move multiple pictures at a time. So if I go here on one of my albums right here, I can go ahead and tap and hold a picture, and you can see once I start moving it, I can go ahead and tap on other ones to select them. You can see a bunch of pictures right there. You can do the same trick that you do with apps on the home screen. Then click back and I can go ahead and place them on another album. When you're taking pictures with your iPhone and you want to zoom, of course you can pinch like this to zoom in and out, or you can tap here to zoom to 2x. But if you have just one hand available, you cannot get your iPhone with two hands, but you will have to use just one hand to take a picture and zoom. Then all you gotta do is just go ahead and while holding your iPhone, just tap and hold here, and you can see it will show the circle, which allows you to easily with one hand zoom in and out. While on the camera app, of course, you can tap right here at the picture to take a look at your latest pictures, and you can scroll through them like this. But you can also use a 3D touch gesture, so just 3D touch right here, and then you can go ahead and quickly just scroll like this between your latest pictures. If you enable the grid on your iPhone, if you enable the grid on the camera of your iPhone, you will also get these two like little plus signs, these crosses right there. So you can see there's a yellow one and there is a white one. So if you want to take a picture, an overhead picture, just something like this right here that I'm doing with my camera, you can just go ahead and just move your iPhone until you see that cross become yellow, and right there you know that you have positioned your iPhone flat. And last but not least is preserving settings. Now when you open the camera app, it will always open on the photo mode, but if you go to preserve settings and you enable it right here, then it will save the last camera mode that you're on. So for example, if you're on the video, it will take you directly to the video. So right here, if I go ahead and close the app, you can see the other time I open it, it won't open on the photos on the default, but it will open on the video mode. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this. Don't forget also to leave a like on the video, and I will see you guys on the next one.